what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine when that day comes, when I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I would do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees, or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. Yeah, surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees, or will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
Hello. Hi. What is your name?
Nyla,
Nyla what? Nyla Walker. How old are you?
6.
Okay, 6. That's wonderful. Nyla, in your words, what does the word love mean to you?
It means always love God.
Always love God. That's good. And what about faith? What does the word faith mean to you?
It means you have love in your heart.
Oh, yeah, faith and love. That is wonderful. Okay. Well, that is good. Do you believe in Jesus?
Yeah.
Wonderful. That is great, Nyla. Okay, Nyla. Thank you. Hi. Hello. What is your name?
Jalen
Jalen.
Cunningham.
Okay, Jalen Cunningham. And Jalen Cunningham, how old are you?
7.
7. Okay, Jalen, that's wonderful. Let me ask you a question, Jalen. What does the word love mean to you?
When you love God,
When you love God. That's great. And what does the word hope mean to you? When you have hope, what does that mean to you?
you have hope in your heart.
You have hope in your heart. Okay, that's good. Okay, Jalen. And what grade are you in, Jalen?
First.
In the first first grade. Okay, that's great. Okay, Jalen. Thank you.
Goodbye. My name is Jayla Ely, and I'm 11 years old. And what love means to me is when you care about somebody.
Hi, my name is Quentin Stevens. I am 13 years old. Love means to me is like when you really care about somebody, and like when you really have feelings for somebody. For instance, I love my mother because she means a lot to me.
Hi, my name is Debrea. My daughter Deshawn Pridgeon attends New Beginnings Are Possible. The word hope means to me that anything in life that you're set your mind to, you can achieve. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Janice Lewis. My son Tremaine Hawthorne attends New Beginnings Are Possible. What I think faith is believing in God and knowing that anything is possible through your faith and belief in God. Knowing that you can overcome anything. Faith helped me go through my treatment from having breast cancer. And having faith in God makes all the difference in the world because you just know that everything is going to be okay.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside